ముత్తవరపు వెంకటేశ్వరరావు కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అండ్ టెక్నాలజీ 2008 లో స్థాపించిన కళాశాలలో MBA, NAC A గ్రేడ్ మరియు ISO సర్టిఫికేషన్ సాధించిన మొట్టమొదటి కళాశాల శ్రీ ముత్తవరపు వెంకటేశ్వరరావు కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అండ్ టెక్నాలజీ.
Good morning, welcome to Python programming class. In this session we will discuss the topic working with strings in Python programming language. Okay, string is a group of alphanumeric characters. String can be defined as a group of alphanumeric characters. Okay, in other languages a string and character are different. In C language a single character can be specified in single quotes, whereas multiple characters can be specified in double quotes, that can be string. Here Python there is no data type like C or Java char. Okay, str is the only the data type for handling strings. Okay, this session is exclusively for strings. We will see various programs how to work with the strings. Working with Python strings. String literals in Python are surrounded by either single quote marks or double quotation marks. Okay, we are seeing MVRCOE. MVRCOE is a string. Here see in line number 369. MVRCOE is a string. MVRCOE is a string which is specified in single quotes or is the same as double quotes. No problem. We can declare the string in single quotes or double quotes. Just we will see on programs also. Next I am creating one folder. Okay, today I will upload this folder to you. All these files, whatever you are seeing in this folder, CSC21 Python, all these folders are available to you. Okay, just after completion of this class I will upload to the lab folder. This is working with strings. Working with, I can separate like this. Working with strings. In this file we will see all the programs. Okay, just I will create a new file new. I will create a new file. Just I will name it as file. First thing we have to do is name. Save as my str1. What is the type of the file? Python. If you are typing in the normal notepad means you have to specify within inverted commas. Okay, the name of the file is Python. Okay, I am saved this one. Next one, string s1 equal to MVR college, or you may specify string like this, s2 equal to MVR college. Single quotes, both of them are same. Print s1, print s2. s1 and s2 are the strings. S1 is specified with double quotes and S2 is specified within the single quotes. The string S1 can be printed using print S1. The string S2 can be printed using the statement print S2. Okay, now I am running this program. Just how to run this program? Just to go to the command prompt cmd Next one, go to the drive, D drive, cd csc21 python cd working with strings in folder dir cls. One file is there, no file is there. File save as I am saving this one with in the folder working with strings. Save. Okay. Next one. Okay, in this folder it is there. Python my str1.py mvr college. A string can be specified within single quotes or double quotes like that. Next one. Okay, I will also save all these, delete all the above. My notes.py it is there. Just only strings concept I will place in this one. Working with strings. File save as working with strings. Strings notes. Okay, in this file only this data is there. This file is also available within the working with strings folder. Okay, first point, the string can be specified within double quotes or single quotes like that. Next one, assigning string to a variable. Okay, assigning string to a variable. This is in this fashion we can assign string to a variable. Suppose I am taking this is nothing but MVR college is assigned to variable S1. MVR college is assigned to variable S2 or A equal to input. The input function takes the values as strings. Enter your name. Enter your name. Print hello, comma A. Just I am saving this one. Once again I am running this file within the command prompt. Okay, we will see how it will work. Just enter your name. Sarai Srinivas. Okay, hello Srinivas, MVR college. In this fashion we can assign strings to the variable print A. Okay, assigning the variable multi-line strings. Okay, multi-lines, suppose the string contains multiple lines, how we can assign this one to value? Suppose this is the string, nice night nurses nursing nicely, the sandwich is in the sandwich was sent by sandwich. This line has multiple lines. How we can assign this one to multiple lines to that one means using these codes. The codes like this one we can use in order to assign multiple lines. We use the symbols like this. Suppose B is the variable. I want to assign this to multiple lines. Three times. Okay. I am copy paste the same text. I am not typing all. Okay, ended with three times quotation. Okay, this is a string with multiple lines. Just I am printing that one string with multiple lines using print statement. Print. What is the value print? B. Control S. Just is working or not, just I am seeing this one, just run this one. Okay, what is your name? Some name SRI. Okay, 9 nice. All the lines came in the output. If we observe here means all of them are hellos. These first related to three print statements. 9 nice, night nurses nursing nicely. The sandwich is on the sand, which was sent by sandwich. Okay, these are the multiple lines. In Python, the multiple lines are assigned with triple quotes like this. Double quote, double quote, double quote, three times. Or another way is this one. Single quotes also are three times. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. Multiple lines can be assigned like this also. If we run this program, we will get the same value. Just I am putting these lines, I am keeping these lines as a comment. Just put hash symbol or insert a hash symbol. Okay, no need to read input also. Just single line comment we can keep like this. Hash hash. I'm not using these statements, only print p. Save. Okay, nine nice night nurses nursing nicely. The sandwich is on the sand, which was sent by sandwich. Okay, these are like that. Okay, multiple lines comments. Here the concept is in multiple lines comments are specified in single quotes or triple quotes. Okay, next we will go to the next one. Getting the character at a position. Python does not have a character data type. A single character is simply a string with length of 1. Like C programming language, there is here no character data type. Single character is simply a string with character string with a length of 1. Square brackets can be used to access the elements of the string. Okay, in order to retrieve the elements of the string, we use the square brackets in Python. For example, the string is like this: str equal to Raju. Str equal to Raju. What is the value of str of 0? Str of 0 equal to R. Sorry. Str of 0 equal to R. Str of 1 equal to small a. In this fashion, strings can be specified. Str of 2 equal to j. Str of 3 equal to u. Okay, str equal to Raju means this is the location. It is possible to read the single characters also. Okay. We will see this example. Just S1 equal to MVR college. Just keeping here inserting hash symbol. What is the value? Print S1 of print S1 of 2. 0, 1, 2. R value will be printed. Just I am keeping all of them are the commented only for this one. S1 of 0, 1, 2, 3 is space 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like that. Okay, S1 of 2. Okay, now we will run this one. What is the output? We will see, clear the screen, CLS Python mystr R. Why what is the reason behind the output R? The reason for getting R is second character, 0 character. This is important, just nothing. S1 is the string of characters. The index starts from 0. S1 of 0 is M. S1 of 1 is this one. S1 of 2 is R. S1 of 3 is space, like this, and so on. It is possible to retrieve the single characters also. Within the string, we can retrieve the single characters also. How we can, what is the process to retrieve the single characters? The process to retrieve the single characters is using square brackets. S1 of, using array like S1 of 2, S1 of 0, S1 of 3. Okay, like that we can retrieve the single characters within a string. Next one, if a equal to yourself, try with various values. Slicing. Slice. What is a slice? Okay, S1 equal to MVR college. What are the slices? From one position to one position, that is called slice. Slice అంటే ముక్కలు. జస్ట్ ఆ స్ట్రింగ్ ఎంవిఆర్ కాలేజీని మనం ఒక మొక్క కావాలంటే కనుక మొక్క వచ్చేటట్టు తీసుకోవచ్చు. దిస్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ స్లైస్. Slicing is nothing but the slicing of a string is can be defined as getting the parts of the string from one position to another position. S1 equal to MVR college. Okay, I want the characters from 5th to 7th or 2nd to 3rd. It is possible to get the slice of a string. Once again, slice. Slice means the part of a string from one position to other position is called slice of a string. Okay, we will get the slicing can be get using separator symbol. Okay, now we will see how the size slice will be obtained. Just the same file only I am writing all this. Print S1. Okay, slicing 2:6. Okay, from which character to which character we will come see. Okay, 0, 1 is V, 2, 2. అంటే from R onwards the output come 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is it L will come or not, we will see just by doing some practicals. RCO. Okay, from which position to which position it will come? Slicing means, okay, from start character to last character minus 1, 6 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 characters will displayed S1 to S6. Okay, 2 to 6 characters will be 2 to 6 minus 1. 2 to actually last character minus 1. Up to that character it will be displayed. This is about slicing in Python. Okay, here suppose once again I am running this for RCO. Suppose I want to change the index. I want to get from this character to next one also 8. Control S. 2 to 7 characters will be displayed. S1 of 2, S1 of 3, S1 of 4 up to S1 of 7 will be displayed. Now 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this is about slicing. Slicing means getting the part of the string. Okay, it is possible to get the part of the string using the concept slicing. Negative indexing. Okay, negative indexing, we will see from which position to which position the output is coming. Okay, just I am saving this one with file save as 2 mystr2. Okay, I am deleting all this. S1 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the string. String contains 9 characters. Okay, negative indexing, we will say print S1 of minus 4 colon minus 2 minus 4 colon minus 3. Okay, basing on this output we can conclude what will happen. S1 of minus 4 to minus 3. Not my str1, my str2 dot py. Okay, 6 will come. Only 6. What is the reason behind it? We will see. Minus 4. Minus 4 means from this side we will see. From end towards end we will see 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the, from this side this is the location. Minus 4 means, or 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From 0 onwards it will start. I will keep 0 only. You can clearly understand. Minus 4 to minus 1. Control S. 6, 7, 8. Minus 4 to minus 1 means 6, 7, 8 came. 6, 7, 8. From this side onwards, start the counting from this side onwards. Minus 4 to 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Next character, before character, this one. 6, 7, 8. Okay. Minus 1 means this one. It is not included. Okay. Minus. From, count the characters from this side towards end side. Okay. Minus 4 to minus 1 means from end side onwards, reverse is also possible. From starting to ending, 4 to 1 means 4 to 3 means from fourth characters to up to this one. 4 to 8 means here to here. But in reverse side also it is possible. Minus 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 4 to minus 1. 0, 1, this is not included, this one 6, 7, 8 will be printed. Okay, minus 5 means from 5th onwards these values will be printed. Okay, like this it is also possible to retrieve the negative character. Suppose we will see clearly minus 1, S1 of print minus 1. Say what value we will get, see S1 of minus 1. Okay, print S1 of minus 1 is 9. Okay, the last character on the string. S1 of minus 1, 9, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. Okay, it is possible to retrieve the end characters also using negative indexing. Okay, use negative indexing to start the slice from the end of the string. Example, get the characters from the position 5 to position 1, not included position 1. Starting the count from the end of the string, b equal to hello world. Okay, print b of minus 5, minus 2. Okay, try yourself this one. B equal to minus 2, minus. From end onwards, we will start the counting. Okay, next one, len function. Okay, the len function is used for finding the length of the string. Okay, how many characters are present within the given string? Using len function, we can count the length of the string. Okay, we will see just one simple program. File, save as mystr3. Just after today's class, after completing, I will upload it. Sure. Just go and check in lab folder of our shared folder. You will get this one. All these files. Okay, Sritan Sai. Okay, I want to compute the length of the string. Len of, how to length of the string using length function. Length of s1, length of s1, control s. Okay, what is the length? How many characters is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Space is also character. 8, 9, 10, 11 characters are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, now we will run this one. Clear the screen. CLS. The command for clear the screen is CLS. Python mystr3 dot py. The length of the string is 11 characters. Okay, I want to keep here length also. Okay, message length of inverted comma subtractors comma s1. Length of, I want to print s1 also. Length of s1 comma is, length of s1 is l1. While writing program, use to print the statements like this. Length of s1 is, length of Sritan Sai is 11. See, s is from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, 11 characters are there. Okay, the length of the string is 11. Using len function, we can compute the length of the string. The function for computing the length of the string is L1. Next one. Okay, up to this it is okay. Length of the string can be computed using length method. Next, strip method. Okay, suppose the strip method removes, just you need to write only these two lines of statement. What is the number of methods is there? We will cover some. Strip method. The strip method removes any white spaces from the beginning or the end. Okay, we will see clearly here. I will saving this file as save as 4, my string 4, save. Just here observe clearly, space character MVR. What is the length of the string? Control S. Just I am running this one, MVR4.py. What is the length of the string? MVR5. Why 5 only 3 characters? Because space character is there. At the starting one space character is there. At the ending one space character is there. Those space characters can be removed using the function strip. A dot strip. The method removes any white spaces from the beginning or the end. Okay, at the beginning white space is there, at the end white space is there. Just I am removing this. Okay, how to remove? S2 equal to S2 equal to S1 dot strip. Now I am printing the same statement. Using strip method, I will remove the spaces. The new value is saved within the variable S2. Write the same print statement for S2 also. Length of S2 equal to len of S2. Control S. Okay, run this program. Length of MVR is 5. Length of MVR is 3. Because in first line at the starting and ending white spaces are there. Those white spaces can be removed using the strip method. Okay, the strip method is used to remove the white spaces at the starting and ending. Okay, this is about strip method, program 4. Okay, strip method. Once again, I am saying at the starting MVS some white space character is there. At the ending white space characters are there. Okay, len of S1 means those two are also included. Okay, those white spaces from the beginning and ending can be deleted using strip method. Okay, next one, lower method. Lower method which converts all the given characters to lower. Okay, hello world. Just I am doing the same one. Okay, hello world is there here. Next one, print a dot lower statement. Okay, lower converts the h to lowercase character, w to lowercase character. Control S, save the file, just run, clear the screen, CLS. Okay, hello world. Actually, within the given data, H is a capital letter. Observe here. H is a capital letter. W is a capital letter. Suppose R is also capital. Then it will convert it to lowercase. All capital. Lower means whatever the characters are available on that given string, all of them are converted to lower. Control S. Now we will run this program. Then output is also same. Hello world. All uppercase characters are converted into lower. In order to get uppercase, I want all characters to be upper. Okay, I will use the function upper. See hello world. Second line of the hello world is all characters are uppercase letter. In order to get like this, we will use the function for lowercase letters. In order to getting, we use the function lower. For getting upper cases, we are using the function upper. The replace method replaces a string with another character. Replace is a one of the method. What it will says replaces with another string. Hello world, I want to replace H with J. This is my requirement. I want to replace the letter H in the hello world. The H can be replaced with J. Okay, A dot replace H comma J. By using this statement, H can be replaced with J. Saving this one in another file. Which can be replaced with J. We will see various other possible combinations also. Jello world. Capital H can be replaced with J. Okay, in order to replace this one, we will use this. After that, I am printing the same statement. Print A. Is it A is affected or not? Control S. Okay, yes or no? A dot replace. We are replacing H with J. After replacing, once again I am printing the value. Is it two times it will come? Hello world, hello world. It will not affect. Okay, so just replace means on that line only it is replaced. Next onwards the original value is same. Okay, it is not changed the initial value. I want to change the initial value also. Okay, just here replacing whenever I am printing A, it is not changing H to J. I want the change to be permanent. What I will do? Okay, this is the method. Just I am replacing that, saving the same string in the same variable only. After replacing that one, I am saving this one same only. Just wo, I want to replace the letter wo. Two times it is occurred. What is the new letter? Z. I want to replace small o with capital Z. Say, is it replaced or not? Okay, O can be replaced with capital Z. Okay, the replace method is used to replace the particular characters of a string. Here the replace is there. Capital in this method we have seen that O can be replaced with Z. The method to replace one string with another string, we use the replace method. Next, split method. Okay, this is the important one, the split method. What is split to do? Within that word semantics. Okay, semantics means within that word only definition is there. Data structures, structuring of data. Within the data structures only definition of the data structures is there. Split, same like split methods. What is split to do? Split to do splitting of the given string. Okay, hello world. If we given the string like this means it can be splitted like this. Hello world split based on the comma. Whenever comma is occurred, it can be splitted. Suppose here comma Sri, comma Mohan, comma Sai, like that. This A is splitted into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. Okay. Now we will run this one, my str file. Is it my str5 or 6? What is the end? My str6. My string 6 dot py. Hello world Sri Mohan Sai. Basing on that one, it is splitted. Suppose here no comma. Just I will write another string b equal to welcome to the world of Python. Is it splits b into the words? Okay, give the answer is very easy. Welcome to the world of Python. Is it the string B is splitted like that above? Okay, no, not splitted because is it saved or not? I think here it is not saved. Okay, welcome to the world of Python. It is not all of them only because why it is not splitting here? The reason for not there is no comma symbol here. Okay, split based on the space character. I am given one space character. Basing on the space, you have to split. Welcome to the world of Python. List. We are getting the list from the given using the split function. Okay, the split function splits the given basing on the correct. Suppose I am split based on the letter O, small o, based on the letter O. Okay, now how to control S, save this file, CLS, clear the screen, Python welcome. See, O is there, it is splitted. Me, to, the world of O. Whenever O is there, based on the letter O, it is splitted. Okay, this is the split function. To check whether the given string is present or not. Okay, here the message is MVR College of Engineering and Technology. In order to check whether in this string it is printed or not. Okay, some value present or not. In order to check that one, we use the in function. We will see the programming. Here the message is MVR College of Engineering and Technology. INE. The pattern INE is here. INE in TXT. Yes or no? Yes, it is there. Answer is true. If we run this program, we will get the output 2. Okay, CLS not required to clear the screen. Just 7.py. Answer is true. INE in order to check whether the given portion of the string is within the given message or not, given text or not, we will use the in operator. Okay, at the time of covering the topic operators, we have covered in. What will happen not in? Not in is also a operator. In and not in. These are called membership operators. Membership operators means the given one is a member of it or not. INE not in TXT. True or false? INE is there. We are saying that here not in TXT. Okay, now the output. What is the output for this one now? Is it true or false? No, INE is there. False. Yes. INE is there, but we are saying not in. SINE. SINE not in TXT. Is there any SINE here? No. Now we will get the output as true. True. Okay. SINE in TXT. Okay. Understand the difference between in and not in. Okay. SINE in TXT. Yes or no? Answer is no. We will get the answer as false. SINE is not there in the MVR College of Engineering and Technology. Answer is false. Okay, this is the false output. In and not in are the operators to check whether this one is within the given string or not. Okay, that's all about in membership operators in. Next, string concatenation. How to concatenate two strings? Using plus operator. We can concatenate two strings. Okay, A is hello, B is world. Using A plus B, we can concatenate those strings A plus B. Okay, to add space between them in order to get MVR college concat, I want just a concatenation operation is like this. A equal to MVR, B equal to college. I want to concat this one. C equal to A plus B. Plus is the operator to concat the strings. MVR college. If we are not specified any space means all of them are combined here. There is no inverted commas, space inverted commas means MVR college, one word will come like this. In this fashion, the strings can be concatenated. Okay, this is about the string functions. Now I will upload this file into that one. We will see some remaining functions is there. Those functions we will see in next class. Okay, this is about introduction to strings. Okay, in this session we have seen the number of string related functions. Go through every function, write on the paper. Okay, go visit the lab folder. Within the class only, I will give the link, department folder link I have shared with you. Now I am uploading this folder. Okay, which folder I am uploading? Okay, this is the folder. All till now, whatever the programs covered, all those programs are available within this folder. Okay, CSC21 Python. I will give the name, same name only, CSC21 Python. See, in CSC21 Python, all of them are available. Working with the strings. Okay, strings nodes. Whatever the nodes I am explaining to you, this is available within this one. These are the sample programs. Do the programs on the strings. Next class, we will see some more functions on the strings. After that, we will go for data encryption programs. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.